5.1 question number 4. This is to find out the value of R. Find correlation coefficient between XY series for the following data. N is 15, bar X is 25, bar Y is 18. Standard deviation of X is 3.01. Standard deviation of Y is 3.03. And summation X minus bar X, Y minus bar Y is 122. N is 15, bar X is 25, bar Y is 18. Standard deviation 3.01. Standard deviation of Y is 3.03. Summation X minus bar X, Y minus bar Y is 122. We have to find R, correlation coefficient. Now they have given us standard deviation, and there is one formula including standard deviation, is that is covariance of XY upon standard deviation of X, standard deviation of Y. Covariance, the formula is summation X minus bar X, Y minus bar Y upon N. They have already given us. This is 122 upon 15. अब ये कैलकुलेशन हम लोगों को खुद को करनी है, हाथ से करनी, क्योंकि कैलकुलेटर अलाउड नहीं है. It is 122 divided by 15. 15 8s are 120. 8.13. Now R, that is correlation coefficient, is covariance of XY upon standard deviation of X, standard deviation of Y. So covariance is 8.13 upon 3.01, 3.03. So if we solve this is 0.89. करना है. The correlation coefficient between two variable X and Y is 0.48. Covariance is 16 and variance of X, 36 and variance of X is 16. मतलब उन्होंने R दिया है, R जो कि हमेशा 1 और -1 के बीच में ही रहेगा. R है 0.48. Covariance of XY is 36 and variance of X is 16. If variance of X is 16, standard deviation is 4, because standard deviation is positive under root of variance. Now, R is equals to covariance XY upon standard deviation of X, standard deviation of Y. This is your formula. अब यही formula हम लोगों ने क्यों लिया है? क्योंकि covariance दिया है और एक का standard deviation भी है हमारे पास. So 0.48 is equals to 36, 4 into standard deviation of Y. So simply standard deviation of y is 36 upon 4 into 0.48. That is 4.32. No, I think let us work it out together. This is 9. This is 9 upon 0.48. So standard deviation of y is 18.75. Yes, and not the previous one, that was wrong. That is 18.75. Yeah. Question number 6 is, in the following data, one of the value of y is missing. Arithmetic means of x and y series are 6 and 8 respectively. We have to find the missing observation and then we have to calculate the correlation coefficient. So the data is x and y, and x is 6, 2, 10, 4, 8, and y is 9, 11, A, 8, 7. A is missing. But the information that they have already given is mean, that is bar x is 6 and bar y is 8, and number of observations are 5. The formula for mean is bar y is equals to summation y upon n. That is addition of all y upon n. Now what is addition of all y? This is 15, 15 plus a, 15 plus 11, so 26 plus a, 26 plus 9, this is 35 plus a. So 8 is equals to 35 plus a upon 5. So 35 plus a is equals to 40. A is 5. Missing frequency is, or the missing value is 5. ये मीन का फॉर्मूला है, अरिथमेटिक मीन का. Now our data is x is 6, 2, 10, 4, 8, and y is 9, 11, 5, 8, 7. And now we need to find correlation coefficient. Because the data is given, that is the values of x and y are given, we can use the formula r is equals to summation xy minus summation x summation y whole thing upon under root summation x square minus summation x bracket square upon n into under root of summation y square minus summation y bracket square upon n. We have to multiply the values. This is xy, this is x square, this is y square. Multiply 54, 22, 50, 32, 56. Because I need xy, I need x square, I need y square. So I'm calculating all the values. जब ये values छोटी होती है, आप आराम से multiply कर सकते हो. तो हम लोग ये formula use करते हैं. Square निकाल सकते हैं हम लोग आराम से इसका. The summation y square will be 81, 121, 25, 64, and 49. Now we'll find the total of all. Summation म्हणजे काय? सगळ्यांची total. This is 8, 10, 18. 18 and 4, 22 and 8. This is 30. Then 9 and 11, 20, 25, 25 and 15. So this is 40. This is 40 and 100, 140 and 156, 160, and this will become 220. This is 241. And this is 340. Now we'll put all these values in the given formula. So R is equals to summation xy 241 minus summation x 30 40 upon 5 whole thing upon under root summation x square 220 214 आ रहा है नहीं मैंने तो किया तो मुझे okay 6 6 and 8 8 and this is yeah sorry this will be 214. I'll just check however 54 plus 22 76 plus 50 plus 32 158 plus 56 is 214. And this is summation x square, that is 30 square upon 5 into under root summation y square, that is 340 square, sorry 340 minus 40 square upon 5. We have to solve this now. This is 214. याला सॉल्व कसं करणार आता हे 6 झालं. This is 214 minus 240 upon under root 220 minus 300 चा स्क्वेअर येतो 900 30 चा स्क्वेअर upon 5 whole thing into 340 minus 1600 upon 5. This is 180. 180 minus 220. This will be 40. This is 20. And this will be 240 minus 214 is minus 26. You have to solve this. They might have given some value of something. Root 2 ची value दिली आहे त्यांनी. R is equals to minus 26. See, under root 40 into under root 20 is under root 800. This is minus 26. Under root 800 is under root 8 into 100. That is 10 root 8. Root 8 is 2 root 2. So 10 into 2 root 2. Minus 13 into 10 into root 2 is 1 point something they have given. 1.4142. So R is minus 13 upon 1.4142 into 10. It is 14.412. So 13 divided by 14.142, it is minus 0.919 or it is minus 0.92. R, because is always in between plus 1 and minus 1. So this is allowed. R is always in between plus and minus 1. Question 7, find correlation coefficient from the following data. 36295. So question 7 is X is 36295. Y is 45867. एक्चुअली पहले तो अनग्रुप्ड और ग्रुप डेटा का भी हुआ करता था, अब उन्होंने वो निकाल दिया. Now what is correlation coefficient formula when X and Y's are given and they are comparatively small? We can use this formula. Whole thing upon under root summation x square minus summation x bracket square upon n. Whole thing upon summation y square minus summation y bracket square upon n. So what we are supposed to do is find xy. This is 12, 30, 16, 54, 35. x square. क्यों निकालना है xy? क्योंकि इसमें समेशन xy है. x स्क्वायर क्यों निकालना है? क्योंकि इसमें समेशन x स्क्वायर है. फॉर्मूला में समेशन y स्क्वायर है, तो वो निकाल लेंगे. एंड देन यू विल जस्ट पुट इट इन दिस फॉर्मूला एंड सॉल्व इट. अब जब इसको सॉल्व करना है तो आपको पहले इसे सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे इसको और इसको सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा. x square is 9, 36, 4, 81, 25. Y square is 16, 25, 64, 36, 49. टोटल करो इसका. Put it in this formula. और कुछ भी नहीं करना, बिल्कुल सिंपल है कोरिलेशन निकालना. अगर x और y की वैल्यूज दी है उन्होंने और वैल्यूज छोटी है, छोटी इन द सेंस कि आप आराम से उसका स्क्वायर वगैरह निकाल सकते हो, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव कैलसीज. तो हमको ऐसी वैल्यूज का आराम से निकालते आएगा जो छोटी होती है. चलो 1 to 15 के बीच में अगर कुछ होती है तो हम लोग तब क्या करते हैं, विल स्ट्रेट अवे यूज दिस फॉर्मूला, डायरेक्ट वैल्यूज. समेशन x एडिशन करेंगे, x का y का, x y का मल्टीप्लीकेशन होगा, फिर एडिशन होगा, x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर. अब फाउंडेशन में जब ये टॉपिक है तो ये बहुत इजी हो जाता है क्योंकि कैलकुलेशन तो सारे कैलकुलेटर्स पे है, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमें खुद करना पड़ेगा. So the total of all the values it is 25, 30, xy is 147, x square is 155, and y square is 190. तो ये आ जाएगा 147 minus 25 into 30 upon 5, whole thing upon under root summation x square is 155 minus 25 square upon 5 under root summation y square is 190 minus 30 square upon 5. So r is equals to 147 minus, this is 5, this will be 150. This is under root 155 minus 25 square. So 125 will be the answer into 6 and 30, 180. This will be minus 3 upon under root 300. That is minus 3 upon 10 root 3. Root 3, they have already given you the value. 1.732. And minus 3 upon 17.32. So 0.1732. This is the answer.
0.1732%.
नहीं, आवाज नहीं सुनाई दी मुझे.
माइनस 0.1732 कैसे आया?
If you divide minus 3 by 17.32, you will get this. वैसे तो कैलकुलेटर्स अलाउड नहीं है, लेकिन अभी मैं करके बता रही हूँ. देखो 10 इंटू 1.732, क्योंकि रूट 3 की वैल्यू ये है, तो ये आ जाता है 17.32. 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 17.32 is minus point, करंट टाइम 3 माइनस होतं म्हणून 0.1732. Okay, so this is your answer for question number 7. Correlation coefficient between xy is 0.3 and their covariance is 12. Variance of x is 9. Find standard deviation of y. Correlation between xy is 0.3. They have already given. Covariance is 12. Then variance of x. Variance of x is 9. So standard deviation of x is 3. And we have to find standard deviation of y. Now, if they have given you formula of covariance R and all that, then the formula for R will be covariance of xy, standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y. This is 0.3, 12. Standard deviation of x is 3, क्योंकि variance अगर 9 है, तो standard deviation positive under root होता है. And then we have standard deviation of y. 0.3 into 3 upon 12. Sorry. Standard deviation of y is 12 upon 3 into 0.3. That is 12 upon 0.9. It is 13.33. That is the standard deviation of y. हमको यूज ही दो फॉर्मूले करने हैं, एक ये वाला r का और दूसरा वो अभी हम लोगों ने लास्ट सम में यूज किया वो वाला. अगर आपको वैल्यूज दी है x और y की तो यू विल यूज दैट फॉर्मूला. If covariance is given, you will use this formula. That's it.